I spent $3,000 at Sephora, and I'm gonna show you everything. This haul is gonna be major, but before we continue, I have a severe shopping addiction. So in the comments, please be nice to me. This beauty obsession has gone way too deep. Let's get started. We're gonna go through every single bag, but we're gonna start with an online order first. Let's open this up. Okay, let's get started in no particular order. YSL. Okay, so this is a very popular mascara. Everyone has been raving about it. This is the Lash Clash Mascara. I'm gonna try it out. These are both in the shade black. Okay, Kerastase. Okay, I love Kerastase. So Kerastase, I have been using their oil, I've been using their shampoos, but I wanted to try this. So it's a high shine rinse treatment, okay? Actually, I'm not gonna open every box. This is the Orbe Power Drops, just because we got a lot to get through. Then I got the Milk Hydro Grip. Oh my God, I love this setting spray. I have been using it ever since Bridezilla. Oh my gosh, I've been obsessed with this setting spray because so many makeup artists were using it on me. So I was like, okay, let me get into it. Okay, oh yeah, I need a restock of my brow products. Brow Wiz Forever. ABH is my favorite brow product. So I got medium brown and dark brown, 2 of each because 20% off, honey, why not? Laura Mercier, the translucent powder. I haven't used this in a long time, so I want to get back into it. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, okay. Patrick Ta. Okay, Patrick Ta came out with merch. Oh my God, so cute. So it's not too much. Yes. I'm gonna wear this. Like, I think brands selling merch at Sephora is brilliant. Sephora, you need to come out with your own merch. I had to buy this from the flagship store in Paris, literally, Champs-Élysées, okay? All of this packaging. Kerastase, okay, so I am obsessed with this. I love this. So I was like, okay, I can also have a little oil to go. So I was like, okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, let's talk about this for a second. Makeup by Mario. Mario's Essential Brush Kit. I noticed he really likes a short handle, okay? I like a short handle because I'm a lady. I got small hands and I like to have the control. So a small handle gives us that. So I got this Mario Essential Brush Kit. Let's see. I thought this was bigger. Okay, so I got the Burberry Goddess and Burberry Her. This is a duo. I thought it would be like this big, okay? It's actually this big. I wanted it for travel. I love that Dior stick foundation. I really do love it. So I got it. No! Oh, don't you hate when that happens? What the actual heck? I got a different shade because I thought I was getting darker. I'm not getting darker. I'm getting lighter. Maybe I should tan. Astera, it's a new Korean brand at Sephora, and somebody tagged me in a video showing me how glowy this was. So I was like, oh, I'm interested. I'm very interested in this. So it leaves your face really glowy, apparently. We'll see. That was my online order, okay? So at 12 o'clock, this is where I checked out, 20% off, la-di-da. And then I went to 3 stores because everything I order online is everything I know I want. Everything here is things I didn't know I wanted. First bag. Oh, this was sold out. So the Gentle Reset Daily Exfoliating Pads from Summer Fridays. Very interested. Then I got this YSL palette because I was like, oh my God, this is so pretty. It is so pretty. Look at this. Okay, hold on, come on. Wow, that's gorgeous. So it's a holiday collection. It's their face palette, blush and highlighter. Okay, let's get into it. And I got 2 of the Patrick Ta palettes. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so beautiful! It's so beautiful! It's so beautiful! Oh, I have a dopamine high right now. Seriously, I can't even. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, I've been seeing everybody talk about this, and I'm not really a snail mucin girl. I'm not. I believe in this. I use it all the time. It's a vegan mucin. But I was like, okay, I'll try it. Then I got these. This was an impulse purchase because I remembered online I saw this beautiful girl with brown hair, long freaking 24-inch hair using this shampoo. I don't know if it was an ad, but I believed her, man. So this is the hydrating conditioner and shampoo from Gisu. Oh my gosh, I bought another lash. Hello? Oh, I thought it was blue. It's the waterproof version. So Lash Clash, I'm telling you, man, everyone's raving about this, but is it gonna work on my Asian lashes? I wanna know. Well, I better know. I better find out. I have 3 now. The Sephora collection, Lash Glue. I love this. Okay, that's that bag. I remember this. Oh my gosh, I went crazy on skincare, honey. Clearance Double Serum. Oh, if you know me, I talk about the Double Serum eye all the time. I love the Double Serum as well, so I'm gonna start using that. And then I asked my sister, my 20-year-old sister, I said, what's your favorite brand? And she goes, I like Tatcha and Murad. I said, Murad? Murad? Okay. So I'm getting it. I saw Jackie Aina talking about Lancome, so I was like, oh, I love Lancome too. I love Lancome too. So I bought a bunch of Lancome. Literally, it was like a 5-second clip of Jackie saying, you know, my favorite foundation is Teint Idole. And I was like, oh my God, I love Lancome. So Lancome, I got this big size toner. Why I love a toner? Because I don't just put it on my face, I put it all over my body, honey. Like from the face to right here, I will put toner on. Honey, I am toned and I'm snatch hydrated from here to here, guaranteed. Dang, see, I told you this brand. So remember the girl tagged me in the video, Glowy? So I was like, oh, a hydro soothing cream. Okay, I'll try it. So I hope this is supposed to be good for your barrier soothing. And you know, I have a lot of redness, so I was like, okay, I'll try it. Topicals. Yo, I love this brand. I love these eye patches so much. And Bun was with me and I was shopping like crazy and I was like, babe, do you want to try a cleansing bar? So he put something in the cart too, you know, I had to make him feel good. He was just holding my bags, I was feeling crazy. So I got him this. Honey, I got it for myself. You know it, girl. I'm running out of time. Shiseido, but eye masks. I'm really into eye masks right now. Okay, oh yeah, see? Clearance. A restock of my favorite eye serum. Okay, oh, more clearance. Okay, clearance. Cairo Flash Cream Mask. Apparently this is supposed to freeze your face. Okay, I'll try it. More from that brand. See, now this is the Hydro Serum So anything hydrating, anything glowy, I'm for it. I want to try it. So we're going to try this out. This is why I had to go to multiple stores. These were sold out. These new Huda Beauty blush filter palettes. Oh my God, girl, you know I love Huda Beauty. I'm not waiting for PR. I'm not waiting. I'm getting all of them. The rose one is somewhere in here. Dermalogica. Love Dermalogica. So this is a trio. I was like, okay, I'm going to use that. I use all of those anyways. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. I thought it was this brand again. Dermalogica, Milk Foliant. Love this. Okay, I told you, Jackie Aina. So, Teint Idole, I like Teint Idole. It's my favorite foundation. So I got myself some Teint Idole. Girl, I got it because of Jackie. Yeah, I got 2 shades. We're going to figure it out. I haven't used Lancome in a long time, but because Jackie likes it, I like it. Oh, I love this. This is by Laneige. Oh, I'm running out of time. Laneige. Okay, hold on. Dr. Dennis Gross eye patches. Then I got some Pattern Beauty because I want to slick my hair back and I don't want to feel crunchy. So I got the gel and the styling cream. The Lancome concealer. A Benefit brow pen. A restock of my ABH Microstroke. And then Laura Mercier. That's everything I got at Sephora. That haul was unreal. Girl, I'm stocked up. And let me just say, it was more than $3,000. And I'm so happy about it. I feel so happy. Oh my gosh, where do I start?